Okay, another sunny day from beautiful Sri Lanka. Today your man is heading to Seeduwa, Sri Lanka. So I'm gonna take the public transport, not Uber or pick me taxi. I'm gonna get into a bus and drop down in Seeduwa and go to a specific restaurant. I have spoken to them that I'm coming and they are waiting for me. See you in Seeduwa in a special food restaurant. Okay, now I'm at the bus stand waiting for the bus to go to Seeduwa. So I don't know which bus to take. I guess I should get into the Negombo bus, which is Colombo Negombo or Colombo Airport bus. I can get out at Seeduwa. So once I'm in Seeduwa, or on my way to Seeduwa in the bus, I will show you the sceneries of the bus ride. See you in the bus. Okay guys, I just got down at Seeduwa, Sri Lanka. I'm right in front of the cafe. Tell you about this cafe. This is the first Robot Café in Sri Lanka. Let's go inside. We're gonna be served by robots. This is the entrance. In fact, I called them before I come. Oh my god, there's nobody. Hello, robot. There's a robot here, but I don't see any staff here. Hello? Anybody there? But I don't see anybody. I can see a menu. It says welcome. I'm in the restaurant, but I don't see any staff here. Okay. Get my shades. Let's see what they have. Cafe robot. They have different stuff. Let me get Kottu. Okay guys, I'm at Cafe Robot. I ordered a small chicken Kottu because I don't want to get a large one because I had breakfast at home. Now since it is lunchtime, my god, I did not anticipate that I will be toasted in the bus. It was damn hot in Sri Lanka. I'm still sweating. My god, it is very hot. People need to drink plenty of water to be survived, to be dehydrated. Okay, I hope my Kottu is on the way. I watched some videos on YouTube. Oh, where's the robot? I expected robot to serve this to me. In fact, this is too much. I should ask for a small bottle. Okay. Okay, I'll break it. I don't mind this big one. Damn hot. The moment I got into the bus, it was okay because I opened the shutters and the wind was coming in. But after a few minutes, not few minutes, after 1 minute, the very next minute, I started perspiring, sweating like a wet chicken. It was was a bad decision. It was a wrong decision. I should have taken Pick Me or Uber, because coming in the bus, it cost me only 80 rupees, not even a buck in dollars. So not a matter of price or fee, bus fee or whatever it is. It was a matter of being toasted in the bus. I was so exhausted, waiting for the chicken kottu, because I watched some videos before I come here. In the videos it was showing how the robot is bringing the food and serving to me. It has its own path. It's coming from there, rotates, and it comes here. Let's see how it will serve me. I ordered a small chicken kottu. I hope they will give me with chili paste, which is my favorite. Kottu is the best cuisine in Sri Lanka, according to me. I don't know, how about you guys? I don't know how long it will take. I've been waiting here now 7 to 8 minutes. Let's see. I'm waiting for the robot to come and serve me the kottu. Let's wait. In any moment, it might appear from there, come all the way around and stop by here. Then I have to pick my meal and let it go. I don't think it will come now because they need time to prepare the kottu. Okay, let's wait. Here's my kottu is coming. Hello there. Here's my kottu. Thank you very much. Little ketchup and cutleries. Okay. Where should I press here? Chicken kottu, as usual. It's damn hot, just prepared. Tastes very fresh. Let's add a bit of ketchup. It's hot. Hot means it's a burning hot. It's just prepared. They just cooked it and served me. The specialty of this restaurant is the food is being served by robots. As you saw before, a robot came here and served me this kottu. Taste wise, it is super delicious. Customers are coming back. Ketchup. Some ketchup. I know you guys' mouths are watering now by this time. Hope I'll not get any stomach pain. Kottu. It's really good. Still, I didn't get any chicken piece. Oh, they have cut chicken into small, tiny pieces. That's why I cannot see, but I can literally taste it. If you come to Sri Lanka, our staple food is rice, but people love kottu. Come to Sri Lanka, you should definitely try chicken kottu. also cheese kottu. Today I ordered the chicken kottu. Mostly I wanted to see how these robots are serving food from my eyes, which I saw on YouTube, some videos people have done prior to me. We have added a lot of I don't know what you call it, capsicum, yeah, a lot of capsicum. Indeed, it's very hot in Sri Lanka these days. So we come to Sri Lanka these days. These days means if you're watching this video, look at this. I ordered only one kottu. Oh, this is not mine, to someone else. Bye bye, robot. Another person has ordered a kottu. I thought maybe they have mistaken bringing me another kottu. I can't even finish one. In fact, this is small kottu. Imagine, small kottu, they give such a big portion. What if I ordered a large kottu? I won't be able to finish. No man will be able to finish. You know me, I can eat. I'm so blessed I can eat a lot. I can literally see outside. I'm seated at the edge by the window. I can see the street. This is Colombo Negombo Street. Colombo to Negombo. One thing I noticed, they serve this food on a plate which is made of clay. This plate is made of clay. And I'm almost finished. As you can see my face, I'm sweating. It's very hot. I wonder if this cafe is air conditioned. Still, it's hot. I'm done. See you when you see me. I think my pick-me is arrived. When you go outside, I think it's on plate. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, I think my pick-me is arrived in this one. CBD 8470. CBD 8470. That's the one. Okay. Oh man, I'm feeling it. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned with your man Cherry.